highly versatile machine for oxyfuel cutting and plasma. All processes are controlled from the Boda CNC system. This feature-packed controller uses a color-coded graphical user interface, making it easy to learn and easy to operate. Programs can be generated from the built-in shape library, loaded by network connection or USB port. Reliability is ensured by the control's solid-state disk drive and robust industrial operating system. Oxyfuel cutting is a process that utilizes oxygen and fuel gases in order to cut metals. In today's manufacturing, it is primarily used for cutting thicker carbon steel above 1 or 2 inches, where it provides faster cutting speeds with a low investment cost. Plasma cutting, although it is not a new technology, is one of the most efficient and productive methods for manufacturers who want to provide their customers with high-quality results. Plasma cutting utilizes highly energized gases in an ionized and electrically conductive state.
This is a CNC cutting system that is compact, portable and economical. Automated functions and a fully integrated, user-friendly control provide versatile oxyfuel or plasma processing. A precision guide rail ensures stable motion of the crossbeam and full support of the cutting to watch for accurate, reliable performance. A simple, menu-driven interface is easy to learn and operate. The CNC provides built-in library of common shapes, USB port for program loading, quick setup pattern nesting, curve compensation, drive-enabled switch. It can be equipped with plasma, oxyfuel or both. Plasma to workstation. Plasma cutting. Both as simple and reliable air plasma systems feature non-high frequency starting and electronically controlled pilot arc circuits for high reliability. These systems include motorized lifter, arc voltage height control, ohmic touch height sensing to set optimal piercing height, tool-less quick disconnect torch to easily switch from mechanized plasma cutting to manual operation. Compatible with most air